So after successfully installing your AWS CLI, the next step is to configure it using AWS credential, and you can do it via going to your IAM console, login to AWS management account, and then you can IAM console, and here you can select an IAM user. So I have already created an admin user. You can go to this user and you can go to security credentials and to generate a secret key and access key using this button, create secret key. Then you can run command AWS configure for AWS CLI. So you can do that in a separate window because configuration with the Amazon Q console uh, Amazon Q command line is a bit difficult because it is not good with prompts. So whenever it was asking for the prompt and I was giving a value, it was not picking it properly. So it's better to open another window and then run configure from here. After configuration, you can check while running command like AWS S3ls. It will list all the S3 buckets from your account, and it will ensure like whether your credentials are properly configured or not. So here you can see like it's able to get the list of S3 bucket. It means it is properly configured. So let's continue from our previous step. So we need to run Terraform plan again. Make sure all the things are ready in a plan which can be applied. So it will pick up the file that we have created, which was the VPC India region TF, and it runs Terraform plan on this file. So let's accept and allow permission on queue to read the file. So it will take some time depending on the network speed, and I generally observe the slightly slow on Windows, but yeah, it works fast on other platforms. Let's wait once it is completed. So it will scan all the code and also list down the components and the infrastructure elements that are part of the plan. It's going to be created by the plan. Let's wait until it shows all the details here. So majorly want to create a VPC, want to create subnets, private sub, public sub, to create route tables, create a NAT interface, internet gateway, so that the VPC will have a connectivity to internet as well. All the details from the plan. Like step back. You can also refer the Terraform file created by Amazon Q is a very file. Like it has created all the components in the same file. So later part of the session, how we can break it down in smaller pieces as well, that it's visible and easy to manage. This is a very good and easy way to start playing around with the tools like Terraform or other scripting tools like CloudFormation. So I have not tried CloudFormation yet, but you can guys can try with the CloudFormation. Uh, Let me know how the goes for you. See, like it is showing a list of all the elements which it's going to create, and now it is saying it is even explaining that in detail, like which VPC will be created, what is the side range for VPC internet gateway, and it is showing in the sequence in which it is going to create. So we need to now run Terraform apply. to apply the changes. There's a slight catch here. So it will ask you enter yes when it tries to apply the change. So it's again validating, and again that prompt is a bit difficult to enter. Need to be on the screen to see when it prompts for yes. That's why I will not move away from the screen for some time. And once it is ready, we can enter yes, we can proceed. Sometimes I notice I need to type yes twice. Let's see if it is for once or twice in this case. Well, gives a very good summary. So even if you are very less familiar with like Terraform, it tries to explain all the details. It tries to explain all the steps. You can learn along the exploring with MSQ itself. You can directly learn this. And if you have any query or question, you can directly ask Q why it is. Okay, so here you can see like it is waiting for a yes prompt. Anything clearly? Let's type yes. Okay, here you can see like it is again asking for the prompt. Enter the value yes, and then click next, click enter. Now it will pick up the value and start creating the infrastructure from the Terraform file. Okay, so we can like it started creating PC and browser and verify scope console and scope. See now see like main VPC is created and it subnets. Okay, like it still looks subnets state. Okay, it has created VPC ID, internet gateway, it's showing all the IDs for subnets and all those things. So let's refresh the screen and see soon console as well. We can see like public subnet and private subnet, these are attached to PC. So we can confirm here part of the main we have added the route table, public table and private route table for gateway related internet. Okay, let's try one thing. Let's try to error file. So I update the wrong ID subnet. Then let's try we try to run Terra plan again. See what happens. So we created an error to make sure like mislinking in the subnet and the VPC ID. So let's see how it works now. When the previous run, it detects like there is an issue with the VPC ID and it tries to fix it itself and then proceeded further with the changes. It automatically identifies like there is a mismatch in the ID and fix that ID and proceeded further. With this, you can even ask uh, Amazon Q to some more things like debug the code with you, add some more code, and make changes to the code. So with this, you can start playing around with the items now. Like it says like VPC ID mismatch, and it's trying to fix now.